Gini ginong terwasa, gini gibawan terwa mentah, gibawan terwa ladu pensua, ginong dia madan paru kan gini salah begini ya. Buat itu sia gibadan hak ofis lagi, nak itu ginong haksa, ditawara aja kasong. Gini mentah pasong di depan hari gini bisa kan sadai dia. Mentah tidak dina gini ya, bukan yo banyak mentah tidak dina gini ya. Dak sa simla sai mo, yong to. Dawan la sai dam dan oni mentah kamlong yong simla sai mo. Kiara, mentah dili bukan sa kisah ya. Gini yo em. Ya mentah balik gini adukan gini ginong wan dia sai ba kiro apa. Ana bikin dan si obi, gini si obi ni habis sudah masa. Kamu jangan sayang dia. Dia suka ya. Kami kejingan bank kejing isi ya di badok. Tebalai game su pyniap lu di badok barok. Yang dia meter high level. Gimana ni dia? Kalau biji kan dia. Kalau biji. Kalau mesti. Ini gila ya bro. Beri ini dari yang ruinnya. Dengan kekuatan beliau kami akan bagi nang bat hanya karuli bar fight milu sabar. Abang fight jangan abang mentah kan beriak ke serta kami dia mentah kan beriak ke serta ni polo ya ni buat yang ngidang kurang ngidang pun ngidang yailang rekan-rekan bangga serta. Mereka serta kami bangi yailang pati dak hongpong ngidang nyon dak kawai pekala tu ni. Belang yang kini kita lapat dia sistem pilar dan kunca dan drugs saya bagi dia bagi ya kini dia penjam kan dia. Ha? Mentah di bayar yang di kelak bajak tapi di bagi drugs open di bagi open di budak yang tu. Dia dah punya banyak kan.
Here is the question for you. Do you know the true meaning of democracy? If you do, you should be asking yourself, do I really live in a democratic country or not? What actually is the meaning of democracy? It means a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. And this has been indicated in the constitution of the country, where it was mentioned very clearly in the preamble of the Constitution, which says that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, equality, liberty, and to promote among them all fraternity. The framers of the Constitution of India had been assigned with the duty and responsibility to prepare and draft a constitution for the people and their welfare and well-being. However, when we look at the manner in which people are behaving in the present day, it appears that people are not fully aware of the essence of democracy. They have been made to be mere subjects of the ruling class only. Therefore, if you feel that your rights are being violated and your power have been stolen away, this is the time where you need to rise up and stand up against the ruling class and restore back the power of the people to the people. Thank you.